Okay, so Corinna, I just want to walk you through the things I mentioned tonight. Sorry, the people over there are yelling a lot. Okay, here we go. So when you come around, you want to keep your elbow in and drag your pointer finger in an upward motion like this. It doesn't move a lot really. It can almost sit right here and move with the body. That's what I'm noticing. So just make sure you're not opening your shoulder like this. You don't want to go like this. And that's the main thing. And then the other one was when you go downward. So you're here and you go down to this. You're often going to this position where the arm is too far back and you're too low down here. So I'm just going to correct that from your normal position. Okay, so you're here. You want to bring this arm forward. And then you want to have really long shoulders. And you want to kind of almost arch your back, lift yourself up a little. You can get to this position by going plie, slightly lean forward, point the toe, and then put your middle finger in your belly button and really push this shoulder forward. You're almost elongating through the upper back. And then this arm, just don't push it back. Remember, they can't see the depth perception. They can only see strain. So you just don't want to have any strain through that shoulder. So one more time, facing you, you would go plie, lean slightly forward from the waist, so not from here, but from the waist. You do a good job of lifting your ribs, and you are supposed to do that in this position. Then point your toe, middle finger in your belly button, this arm out. And if I turn more to the side, you'll see how far in front of my shoulder it is. Should probably be higher. That's about the position. So it's like this. So it's very sharp and angular, and it's technically downward facing because this line continues into the foot, and so it feels much lower than it actually is, right? You don't need to be down there for this specific choreography. There's one more thing I mentioned. Let me think what it is. Let me just walk you through this curving part. So you'd be here, swish back, so you arrive here in third position. You're putting your foot down as your arms drive, and then you swirl. So it'd be like this. Here, switch, put it down, swirl. Yeah? And then here you really want to have that lightly bent leg. I can't remember anything else, so that is it.